Today I'm going to show how I am using Urushi lacquer to harden up the surface of violin fingerboards. Urushi is a sap of the Chinese lacquer tree. Urushi is a Japanese word meaning lacquer. This sap is a very special material. It contains the chemical urushiol, which is the active ingredient of poison ivy. So urushi actually is a concentrated form of poison ivy. One has to handle it with great care to avoid getting it on your skin, otherwise you get rashes for quite a while. So the sap of the urushi undergoes a biochemical polymerization reaction. It does not require sunshine like other varnishes do. The reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme. It is a biochemical oxidation reaction. The natural urushi, which is called the sashimi urushi, has a pale yellowish color, and as it gets oxidized, it becomes black. For the purpose of my fingerboards now, I am using only the black urushi. You can buy them online. The Mejiro company is the one that provides me normally. So the black finishing urushi contains carbon black. That's why it's extra black. This one is called Bakroiro urushi. It's stored in containers like this, like toothpaste. So I put a small amount in any kind of container. You can use just an aluminum foil. I close it back. So, to avoid getting it on my hand, I'm using vinyl gloves. On my right hand, which I am using more often, I actually two gloves on in case if one of them breaks, I still have the other one. The fingerboard has to be prepared in advance. If I use a fingerboard directly from the commercial source, I sand it first with 400 grade sandpaper and then rub it with steel wool, and at the end I wipe it clean with a piece of Kleenex. By the way, I'm also always working in open air places like this balcony where the wind blows away any kind of fumes from the urushi. The actual process is very simple. I take a small amount of urushi on my finger. This has the consistency of a thick liquid like a salad dressing, emulsified salad dressing or mayonnaise, and apply it very thinly throughout. On the surface. It will polymerize depending on the humidity and the temperature in 2 to 5 days. Right now it's humid and it's warm enough. It would be in 2 days I could apply another coat. On an ordinary ebony fingerboard, I apply not more than 2 coats, and after the drying process is over, I will sand it carefully with a 800 grade sandpaper. This is 800 grade sandpaper, and rub it gently with steel wool. And then you have a strong fingerboard whose surface repels water. The important thing about Urushi, when it polymerizes, it is hydrophobic. It does not absorb the moisture from the fingers of the player, and for that reason, you don't form the channels, the indentations that you normally get in fingerboards. So the lifespan of the fingerboard is made much longer. You don't have to do anything to the fingerboard, depending upon the amount of playing, of course, for many years. So this is one of the fingerboards which I have now prepared. And I put this in a container like this. I will have okay, you can stop here.